Hello everyone, so today we are going to solve the pattern number 15 question. If you see the pattern number 15 question, it looks like the similar star pattern. It is looks like the diamond shape. We have to print this diamond shape in the output screen. Here you can see it is similar type of star patterns, but here is the major difference that here are the numbers. So how I am going to solve this question? Let's see in the screen. Let's cut it from here and let's see what we are going to do solve this question. So let's cut it from here. What is happening? So let's cut it from here. Let's go to the screen. Put it here. See. So what we will do in the first step? In the first step, we will do that we are going to printing the stars. 1 star, then there is 1 spaces, 3 star, then there is no space, 5 star, then there is single spaces, 3 star, then there is 2 spaces, 1 star. Then go to the next step. What we are going to do in the next step? In the next step, we are going to do it. This is the step 1, and step 2, put all 1 instead of star. So 1 space, there is 3 1, there is 1 2 3 4 5 1, then there is space also, then there is 3 1, then there's 2 space, then 1. Now this is the step 2, step 3. In the step 3, what we will do? We will put here 2 spaces, then 1, then there is single spaces, then all the values are 2, then in the next line all the values are 3, in the next line there is 1 space, then all the values are 4, in the next line there is all the values are next line, it's 5. This is the step 3. And now in step 4, what we will do? In the step 4, instead of increasing the value, we are going to decrease the value. Not so, I 2 2 2 3 3 3 3 3, then decrease the value 2 2 2 and 1. Now what we will do? We are going to increasing all the row. See what I am trying to say. That means this is the step number 5. There is 2 spaces, then 1, there is single spaces, then 2 3 4, then there is 3 4 5 6 7, next line 1 spaces, 2 3 4, next line 2 spaces, then 1. Now in the 6th stage, what we will do? Instead of increasing the value till the j, here you can see this is the row. So from the mid column we are going to decrease the value. So what we will do? There is 2 space, then 1, then single space, 2 3 2, then 3 4 5, and again 3, sorry, I think again it will 3 4 5, right? And it will 3 4 5, then 4 3, go back, 3 4 5, then 4 and 3 3 4 5, then 4 3. After the midpoint the value will change. So here in this line 2 3 2 again, and the next line it will remain 1. So this is the actual output. So for solving these questions we need to follow these all steps. This is the step 1, this is the step 2, this is the step 3, this is the step 4, this is the step 5, and this is the step 6, and we will get our output. So let's think about that how we are going to achieve this kind of output. So let's go to the screen. Now I am in my screen. Now see, first take the input, int n is equal to scn dot next int and for int I is equal to 1, I less than equal to n, then I plus plus. So all of you know how to print the star pattern. So print the star pattern, system dot out dot println. This is for the next line. Now for the star pattern, here you can see that the space are decreasing here. In this line there is 2 space, then 1 space, so space are decreasing and space are starting from n by 2. So we will create a space variable here. Space is equal to, that is n divided by 2. Now come to the next line, and the star is going to start from the value 1. Now see, now if I is less than equal to 2, I is less than equal to n divided by 2, then we are going to printing the star. We are going to decrease the space value and increase the star value by 2. Else what we will do? Else we are going to increase the space value and decrease the star value by 2. Now see. Now we will do our magic thing, that for printing the stars pattern. So int j is equal to 1, j less than equal to spaces and j plus plus. So print the all spaces. System dot out dot print the spaces. What is the spaces here? So print the space. Okay. Now create the another loop. So copy this and paste it here. So create the another loop that will run till the pattern. Okay. Till the star pattern and print the star here. Okay, print the all stars here. Now see what we are getting in the output. So this is the for star and this is the for spaces. So let's see what we are getting. So we are getting this diamond shaped star. Now we need to change it from star to 1. So for 1 we are creating one another variable and store it there. So int val is equal to 1 and print the star. Where is the star? Okay, so instead of printing the star we are going to printing the val. So let's see what we are getting now. Here you can see we have got all the ones. Now in next step, what do we need to do? We need to print 1, then 2, 2, 2, then 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, then 4, 4, 4, then 5. This way. So for that, what you can see in this loop here, you can see when the I is equal to 1. When the I is equal to 1, we are printing only value 1. If we increase the value val plus plus, when I is equal to 2, then it's going to printing 2, 2, 2. Okay. Then again val plus plus. When I is equal to 3, it's going to printing all the 3s. That means it depends on the I. So we need to increase the val value inside the outer loop and the outside of the inner loop. Okay. So let's see what I am trying to say. I am trying to say that I am going to increment the val value here. Now run it and check what we are getting. See, we are getting 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4 and 5. Now in next step, what we will do? Instead of increasing the value, we are going to decrease the value. That means this step. Okay. That means this step. We are now increasing the value. Now we are going to decrease the value. That's 3, 3, 3. After that 2, 2, 2 and 1. So let's see what we will do now. So for that, instead of increasing the value outside here, what we will do? We will increase the value till half and then we are going to decrease the value. Okay. Now hit on the run button and check what we are getting. Here you can see we are getting the similar type output. What is here? 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2, then 1. See, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2, then 1. So we are getting this kind of output. Now what we have to do? We have to do this way, that first 1, then 2, 3, 4, then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 2, 3, 4, then 1. So how we will do that? See, we will declare another variable, that is cval, and declare the cval with val. because we don't want to disturb the val variable. So what we will do, instead of printing the value here, we will print the C val value. And if we now run this, you will see there is nothing going to happen. We got the same output. See, we got the same output. For getting this kind of output, what we have to do? We have to increase the C val value here. So increase the C val value here, increase by 1. So let's see now what we are getting in the output screen. Okay, I think I missed here. It will C val. Now run. See, we are getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2, 3, 4 and 1. But we don't want it. We want after the mid of the J. That means J is what here? J is what here? J is the column here. So after the mid column, we want the value should be reduced and print the value. So see what I am trying to say. That if J value is less than equal to ST divided by 2, then we are going to less than equal to ST divided by 2, then we are going to print this. Else first we will decrease the C val and then print the C val. Why I am doing this? So first let's do it, then I am discussing it clearly. See, hit the run button. Okay, I think I did here a mistake. If J is less than equal to ST divided by 2, that means this thing. Okay, so this is the star I am printing. So 2, 3, then 4. So here is the star is 1, 2, 3. Star value is here. See, a star value is 1, 2, 3. So 3 divided by 2 is 1. So we are going to printing the 2 and 3 and increasing the value and printing it. So now see what we are getting. We are getting the right output. See what is happening here. So what we do here. So see, so first we declare a, what is happening? We declare a, so we declare a C value and put the value there. Okay, now we want to print till the mid half, means C. So we want to print, and I am going to cut this part and go to the new page and see what I am trying to say. So after the mid part, the values are the stars values. That means this is the star pattern. We are printing respective to the star. That means J is equal to 1, J less than equal to star, then J plus plus. Here you can see stars means this number. Stars means this number. So this is the midpoint of the star, and the star value is depending upon J's value. So if the J's value is less than equal to star divided by 2, that means if the value of star is, here you can see value of star is 1, 2, 3. So value of star is here 3. So J less than equal to ST by 2 means 3 divided by 2, that is 1. That means 1 less than equal to 1. If it is true, then we are going to printing these values and increasing the values. We are going to printing the values and also increasing the values. But after that, here you will see the values are decreasing. That means 3, 4, then 4, 3. What's happening? That means you can see there is 3, 4, 5, then 4, 3. What is happening here? So after the midpoint, we are decreasing the C val. Here you can see what is the C val now? It is the C val 5. So after the midpoint, the C vals become minus, that is 4. So I write it here this same way. See, after the midpoint, j less than equal to xt divided by 2. That means before the midpoint, we are increasing the c value. Here you can say we are increasing 1, 2, 3, then 3, 4, 5, then 2, 3, then 1. Okay, but after the midpoint, we are decreasing the value. See, 2, 3, then 2, 3, 4, 5, then 4, 3. Then you can see the c value is now 5. Now it is decreasing to 4, decreasing to 3. That's why we do this way. Hope all of you are understand what I am trying to say. Now, submit it and check all the test cases are passed or not. See, we are getting the correct answer. Hope all of you understand the question, how to think this question step by step and then solve it in the browser. All of you, I think understand this. So hope all of you enjoy this video and I will see you in the next video. Bye.